Hello, my friends, dear traders, listeners, and followers. How are you all? I hope all will be fine and doing very awesome trading. Okay, today I'm gonna show you one more moving average based strategy. This is very awesome strategy if you understand. Why I always use moving averages? Cause in indicators list I have tested all indicators like most popular like RSI, stochastic, momentum and many others. But all I seen when market comes in range bound position, they all indicators fail. Only one indicator always gives us true calculation is moving average. If you use moving average, you will never fail in trend trading. Must follow trend, cause trend only one thing which allow you to take profit from market. Cause trend is your friend. If you go against trend, you will fail. If you come with $1 million, no, you will fail. So let's start set up the strategy. I have found this strategy too moving average based. So let's set up the strategy. First of all, set to default and add 23 period moving average. Apply to close, simple method and done. Always remember, I always share moving average based strategy, all tested and authentic moving average strategies. There is no any waste. Okay, so always follow instructions and watch complete my video to understand. So let's set the next one. Next one is 48 period and let's done. Choose any color. I like to black. Okay, how trade using this strategy? No problem, use any time frame. Okay, let me explain with examples. Look here, moving averages cross each other and starting going down. Here we got an confirmed signal of sale. Look here, how many pips we collect on volatility 100 index. Okay, let me give you one more example. Look this one. Moving averages start crossing here and market started going down. Look how many pips we collect. Always remember, when market cross, moving average cross each other, place your trade. When again they cross, take exit from trade. Look this example. How many pips? Look again this. Look how many examples. And clear example one more. Look. And look this one also. As I told you, I always use only tested strategies, cause I know many traders here beginners. Look, I have a trade based this strategy. Look, when I see that moving averages crossing each other, look here, and when I see the moving averages is closed and now is going to cross each other, okay, I place this trade. Look, I seen here crossing and I placed my trade. And look how many pips. It's still running. This my 75 index buy. I will close my trade once cross hour. Okay, so I will leave this open. Look here, how many examples. Look, one more sale. Cross happen Just see, cross happen and sell. I hope all guys understand carefully, so always use for trend trading. Look here, boom and crash. Many people love boom and crash. Look, cross and how many pips? Look, cross and how many pips? It's a rain of pips. Look, look, how many pips? Always use this strategy. This is a gold and true signal strategy. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Best of luck. Must watch all video. You will understand all.